This video will instruct you on how to set up a volume recipe on your Elmar filler. From the main screen of the HMI, go to Setup, then Volume Recipe. On this screen, you can see the volume recipes already programmed in the machine, and we will add one more. To do this, we click on Upload and Create. Then click on Edit and type in the name of your new volume recipe. Select Enter and then enter again, and you will see the new recipe populated in the list. With the name of our new recipe selected, we're going to click Download and then View Values. Raise or lower the volume to the desired point. The volume encoder count changes value as you do this based on where the cam track is. Once you have your desired encoder count, hit the Enter key and then enter the value and hit Enter. The cam track position is now stored. Now we can select Save, then Download, and View Values. Notice that the X disappears from the C column, showing that it is saved. To change the name of one of your preset recipes, simply select it, tap Rename, Edit, and type in your changes and hit Enter. To remove a programmed recipe from the list, select it, tap Delete, and Yes to confirm. To retrieve a saved recipe from the main page of the HMI, go to Setup, then Volume Recipe. To go between preset recipes, use the arrow keys and select the desired volume. Select Download, and then Yes to continue, and View Values. Once you hit the Move key, you will see the cam track is moving to its desired position.